Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open an Ibkr account online and complete identity verification with valid ID. Read and accept the account agreement and select your tax residency. Link a bank using ACH and initiate a 000 test transfer to verify funding. Wait for the ACH to clear, which typically takes 3 to 5 business days. Enable two-factor authentication to protect your account before you trade. Review electronic disclosures and confirm you understand margin if you plan to use it. Open Client Portal or Trader Workstation and enter the stock ticker, for example Apple, in the search field. Select Buy to open the order ticket and choose Market or Limit order type. If using a limit, enter a limit price such as 0, and set a quantity, for example 10 shares. Review the estimated total cost, including any displayed fees and buying power impact. Confirm order details, then click Submit to send the order to the exchange. After submission, monitor your order status in the Orders panel to see if it is filled. If the order is still active, you can modify price or quantity or cancel the order entirely. Partial fills may happen, and any remaining shares will stay open until filled or canceled. Note that U.S. equity trades settle on a T+2 business day cycle for cash availability. Ibkr provides tax documents like Form 1099 after year-end for reportable transactions and dividends.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.